This is our painting machine. Please take an overall looking of the machine. Okay, this is the control plane. First, we will open the power, start the power. And then the air. And then machine is, you can hear the sound. And then now, heating. Okay. Then we set up the temperature from here. This is the setting temperature. This is the actual temperature. Usually, to heat up the machine to be 100 degrees, just leave several minutes. Now we start this switch. It is the speed of the barrel, the running barrel. Now the machine is running.